Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Untrue Legends. Today we are here in Burnt Oak in northwest London. So without further ado, let's take off. So yep, this is my third drone flight today. So what it is, I was going to do a drone flight. I was going to fly straight away, but my power bank actually died, so I couldn't charge it fully. So I just went locally in Burnt Oak to charge it quickly. I charged it with my fast charger. So this is not fully solar powered. Half of it's solar powered, but half of it's not. The first half wasn't solar powered, and then the second half, with a little bit of juice that I had in my power bank left, that's what I used to charge the drone to the max. So then I charged the max. We're going to do a little drone flight here in Burnt Oak. It's not charged 100%, but at least it's charged to a decent amount. So it's going to be a little bit of shorter drone flight, but then by the time I did that, the sun actually went away. It was actually sunny the whole time. And literally, as I was walking up here, the sun was going away. So, all right, 360 photo is now complete. Let's just zip around Burnt Oak. So, yeah, let's just check out the neighbourhood area. Actually, no, let's check out the main area. So, actually, between 3 London boroughs. So, right now we're in Barnet. Actually, all my drone flights are down here was in Barnet. So, we're in Barnet, but then over there, past Edgware Road is Harrow. And south of that is London Borough of Brent, so we're between 3 boroughs right now. Let's just get a tour of Burnt Oak. So, I got a glimpse of it when I flew from my first drone flight in Colindale, and I did my third drone flight in Burnt Oak. So the sun just went away, unfortunately, but it is what it is. I mean, because it's a thin band of clouds, you can't really predict the weather. But I just thought, you know what, it's still get a hint of sun, so that's a good thing. So the first half was charged locally. I charged it in this area. And the second half was in the area. I charged it with a power bank. Let's get a tour of the area of Burnt Oak. Let's just go down there. So I believe where this shop is, the pound stretcher store, that's where London Borough of Brent is. I was actually walking past there and I saw the London Borough of Brent plaque, and then over here is London Borough of Harrow. This section is London Borough of Harrow, and we're flying from the rest of the areas in London Borough of Barnet. So we're in Barnet side. Even when I flew in Colindale, that Asda that we saw, that was in the Brent Borough. So yeah, Burnt Oak. Get a shot of Burnt Oak. Got a Costa right over here. That's why I got charged for my drone. That's why I charged my drone to 50%. Then we're just gonna go down towards there. Yeah, it's a nice little shot in this area. There's a Pepe's there as well in this area. Should we get a top-down shot? Let's get a top-down shot. Wait, I've configured this button to do something else. Why isn't it working? What the flip? That button's not working anymore. That's weird. I hope my controller's not broken, but should be good. Let's get a tracking shot of this van. What we'll do, just go down towards this area down here. There's a little junction. I mean, this drone flight doesn't need to be that long anyway, because there's not that much to see here. Like, there is a lot to see here, but it's, and that area is where the Asda is. I should have taken off from there, I was thinking, but I thought let's take off from Colin. Maybe in the future I'll do a drone flight in that area. So yep, this area is towards the Brent Borough, and the other side is towards the Harrow Borough. And then here we're flying London Borough of Barnet. So let's get a shot down here. There's a lot of buses down here. down this road. Yeah, the sun's gone away. The sun has gone away now. You know what? When it's actually a little bit sunny and not too sunny, the footage actually still looks good. It's like some kind of golden footage. Let's get a shot towards this area down here. This little junction in this area. I'll go towards this area, this road. Let's get a shot of the rest of the burnt oak area. Imagine I land a drone and the sun comes out properly. You know, that's actually what happened in Lakeside. Like, it wasn't really that sunny in my second drone flight. I mean, it was sunny, but it wasn't properly sunny. And then as soon as I landed, it came out fully, and it stayed like that. Like, I could have waited, but I didn't know that. Because you don't really know which direction the cloud's moving. Got a little roundabout here. Let's orbit around it. Residential area of burnt oak. Let's go to the north side of the where I'm flying. Bus is parked here at the bus stop. Quite mad how you can see like the people disembark the bus, people alight the bus, people join the bus, and then we can just get a shot of it moving. It's quite mad, isn't it? That you can see it from high up. Let's follow it. Oh, the sun's come out more now. I should have waited, because the sun, with these thin band of clouds, you can't tell, because the clouds get thicker, then it gets thinner, and you can't really tell when it's like this. It's good that the sun's come out more now, which is yeah, you can't really predict it at all. You can't really tell. See, the sun's come out properly now. In fact, I might actually go get another round at burnt oak. It depends how much battery I've got. I should have waited. See, I should have waited, because you can't really tell which direction the cloud's moving, because there's blue and then there's just thin band of clouds. But I can't tell whether it's facing, and then because I was worried it's going to get more thicker, that's why I just decided to take off now. That's exactly what I do. Wait, is that the M1? I think that's towards the M1. Look at that. We're not far from the M1. In my last drone flight, I just flew that. I flew at the M1 as well. Look at that. M1 motorway. And then we've got the train line right there as well. Mill Hill, actually there, this is Mill Hill Broadway. What we'll do, just turn around, come back. Let's follow this bus back to where we are. I imagine it's coming back to where we are. Let's see though. I don't think I can go back to Burnt Oak because we might not have enough battery. I mean, you probably will have enough, but we might not have enough. Just want to be safe. So I probably won't go back there. Let's go to a road we haven't been before. We'll just circle around. Follow this, follow it. We'll meet up. You know what? Yeah, let's go to Burnt Oak quickly. This road leads up to it anyway. So let's get a nice little last shot of Burnt Oak. Actually, I haven't been down there before. Let's go down there. See, that's towards Burnt Oak now. I know exactly where we are. We just get one last shot of that area. Then we'll just land the drone. Get one more last shot of this quickly, then we'll just land the drone. So you can see the rest of the London boroughs right here. All two of them. I mean all three of them. Yeah. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to land the drone now. I'm going to get a last final shot of this area. Yeah, let's come back now. We don't want to have headwind problems. So look at that amazing shot. The wind, we're getting fast wind now, so the wind's actually blowing our drone back, which is good. Look at it. Let's just orbit around this park quickly. And then we'll descend as we do that as well. I want to get a quick shot of this area down there. Let's quickly go down there. Look at that amazing shot. Look at that, amazing. Look at that. Alright, let's land the drone now, quickly. Bird's getting shook on the other side. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Burnt Oak in London Borough of Barnet in North West London. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.